In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Otter AI Chat to ask questions. If you use Otter to capture meetings or notes, Otter AI Chat lets you ask natural questions and get quick, targeted answers drawn from your transcripts. I'll walk you through the simple flow and share tips so your questions return the most useful results. First, log into Otter AI. Use the account that contains the meetings or notes you want to query. If you're part of a team, make sure you're in the correct workspace so the chat has access to the right content. Once you're signed in, give Otter a moment to sync any recent recordings. That ensures your latest meetings are available for questions. Next, look at the left sidebar and click on Otter AI Chat. This opens a chat style window where you'll have a prompt box at the bottom and an area above it where answers will appear. Think of this space like a search engine that understands the context of your meetings, action items, and highlights. Now in the prompt box, type your question. You can ask something like, who was responsible for each action item in my last update meeting? Or, what are the highlights of my last meeting? Be as specific as you can. If you know the meeting title, include it. If you had several meetings in one day, add the date or a keyword that was discussed. Clear prompts help Otter zero in on the right transcript and produce a concise summary. You can also guide the tone or length of the answer by saying you want a brief overview or a short list of takeaways. If you're looking for ownership, include words like responsible, owner, or assigned. If you want a summary, use phrases like highlights, key points, or main decisions. Keeping your question focused will lead to faster, cleaner results. When you're ready, send the prompt. You can press enter or click the send icon. Otter will analyze your available content and generate an answer based on what it finds in your recordings and notes. Give it a moment if you have longer meetings. If the response feels too broad, refine your wording and send again with a bit more context, like the meeting date, a project name, or a specific agenda item. That's all you need to start getting value from Otter AI Chat. Log in, open the chat, type a clear question, and send. Try it with a recent meeting and see how quickly you can surface owners, decisions, and highlights without digging through full transcripts.